tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, the HP OfficeJet Pro 8139 wireless all-in-one color inkjet printer. This incredible device is from America's most trusted printer brand, and it's perfect for home offices looking to print professional quality color documents like business documents, reports, presentations, and flyers. With print speeds of up to 20 pages per minute in black and 10 pages per minute in color, you'll be able to tackle even the toughest printing tasks with ease. One of the key features that really sets the OfficeJet Pro 8139 apart is its 1-year trial of instant ink included. This service is a game changer for anyone who prints regularly, as it allows you to get ink delivered directly to your door before you run out, saving you up to 50% on ink costs. No more last-minute trips to the store or running out of ink in the middle of a critical print job. After the 1-year trial, a monthly fee applies unless you cancel, but trust me, the convenience and cost savings are well worth it. Plus, with Instant Ink, you'll never have to worry about running out of ink again, as the service automatically detects when your ink levels are low and sends a replacement cartridge right to your doorstep. Another feature that I'm really excited about is the printer's fast color printing capabilities, combined with its ability to scan, copy, fax, and even perform auto two-sided printing. The auto document feeder is also a huge time saver, allowing you to quickly and easily scan or copy multi-page documents without having to manually feed each page. And with a 225-sheet input tray, you can print large quantities without having to constantly refill the paper tray. Whether you're printing out reports, copying important documents, or scanning receipts, the OfficeJet Pro 8139 makes it all easy and convenient. The 2.7-inch touchscreen is also a standout feature, providing a large and intuitive interface that makes it easy to navigate your printer's settings and functions. The phone-like user interface is familiar and easy to use, allowing you to quickly access the features you need and get back to work. And with wireless printing capabilities, you can stay connected and print from anywhere in your home or office without being tethered to the printer by a cable. The dual-band Wi-Fi automatically detects and resolves connection issues, ensuring that you can always print reliably and efficiently. In addition to its impressive feature set, the OfficeJet Pro 8139 is also AI-capable, which means it can learn and adapt to your printing habits over time. This allows it to optimize its performance and provide you with the best possible printing experience. Whether you're printing out photos, documents, or presentations, the OfficeJet Pro 8139 is capable of producing professional quality results that will impress anyone. And with its compact design and quiet operation, it's the perfect addition to any home office or small business. In conclusion, the HP OfficeJet Pro 8139 is an incredible printer that offers a wide range of features and benefits that make it perfect for home offices and small businesses. With its fast print speeds, instant ink service, and wireless printing capabilities, it's the perfect solution for anyone looking to take their printing to the next level. So if you're in the market for a new printer, I highly recommend checking out the OfficeJet Pro 8139. Find the link in the description below to learn more and get your hands on one today. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to upgrade your printing experience and take your productivity